Hello, this is Traders Union. Today we're going to talk about the broker Forex, a company that presents itself as a universal market access provider for traders with basic experience. Watch this video till the end to find out who Forex is best suited for, what conditions matter most to beginners, and what to pay attention to when withdrawing funds. The broker focuses on a simple start, support for classic platforms, and services that help combine active and semi-passive trading. Regulation is provided by the Financial Supervisory Commission of the Cook Islands, which is important to consider when evaluating the level of regulatory protection. Now let's go over the trading conditions step by step. Forex offers 3 account types: Standard, Pro, and VIP. The minimum deposit is $50. Leverage is up to 1 to 500, and spreads start from 0 pips. For Euro, USD the benchmark is approximately 0.2 pips. Platforms include MetaTrader 4 and 5. Execution is market execution. The minimum trade size is 0.01 lots. PAMM and social trading are available, as well as web trader and mobile apps. Accounts can be opened in major global currencies. Deposits and withdrawals are supported via cards and a wide range of payment systems, including cryptocurrencies. A 50% bonus is offered on the first deposit. Let's talk about the advantages. Straight to the point. Responsive customer support. 24 hours, 5 days a week. Fast replies minimize downtime and help resolve operational issues quickly. Reliable MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, plus web and mobile versions. Familiar functionality, platform stability, and access from any device. Integrated trading signals. Premium AI-driven signals via Acuity directly in MT4 and MT5, along with additional signals available on the website. Educational ecosystem. Structured courses for beginners, advanced users, and professionals. Payment infrastructure and services. A wide selection of deposit/withdrawal methods and availability of PAMM and social trading. Real traders reviews.
I've been trading with Forex on MT4 for a few months now. Conditions are solid. 0.01 lot minimum, market execution, everything runs smoothly. I really appreciate the built-in PAMM and copy trading features. Perfect for passive investing. Support is quick and helpful, especially on weekdays.
Forex impressed me with its transparency and negative balance protection. I started with $500 and in 4 months grew my account to $1,200 trading mostly oil and crypto. The fast KYC process and solid regulation make it a great choice for low-risk growth.
I chose Forex because of its wide range of assets, from stocks to crypto and forward contracts. On the Pro account, spreads start at 0 pips, which suits my strategy perfectly. The 50% first deposit bonus gave me a solid head start without extra risk.
In summary, Forex is an accessible broker with flexible account options, integrated signals, and educational support tools. It suits traders who value a combination of simple entry conditions and decision-making services. Before getting started, we recommend testing a demo account and reviewing all terms carefully, including withdrawal fees and regulatory jurisdiction. Subscribe to the Traders Union channel to learn more about other brokers and make an informed choice that's right for you.